Nutrition. 1 in 3 newborn babies will develop adult-style diabetes by the time they're 10 or 11 in the US. That's a really shocking thing. What it means is you're going to see a huge interest in what we put inside our bodies in the future. How much of it, how healthy is it, and how we feed our bugs. I need to finish now. But bacteria keep us sick. They make us sick, but they also keep us well. There are more bacteria in your body than human cells. It is your virtual organ. The bacteria in your gut, your microbiome, is as important to you as your liver, your kidney, or your brain. You cannot exist without it. If you had a sterile gut, you would die. These gut are your lifeline to your future existence. The balance between these kinds of bacteria is absolutely mission critical because they produce thousands of chemicals. Some are toxins and will cause cancer. Some other things will keep you well. The balance is hugely influenced by all these things, but especially by diet. So I am now feeding my gut. When I eat food, I now recognize I'm feeding my bacteria. I'm not eating for me, I'm eating for my bugs. My bugs are what keep me well, and I'm feeding them. We know that 15 to 20% of all cancers that you will get in the next 20 years in this room, all of you, 1 in 5 of you will get a cancer. If you do get a cancer, it'll be caused primarily by an infection. So these things, we're really understanding lots of things here. And we can transplant infections. You can take the feces from one mouse, the stool from one mouse, and put it into another mouse that's been sterilized. And if one mouse has cancer, the other mouse gets cancer. Are you hearing me? If one mouse has heart disease, the other mouse gets heart disease. This is really important. So we're discovering gigantic levels of science, which are fascinating, but also very worrying. And of course, the discoveries we're making in human health are vital in your business because they give you a solution. We were talking on Sunday about stabilizing the gut of whole flocks of sheep or goats or chickens, not using bacteria and not using antibiotics now, but simply using diet. How wonderful that would be for humankind.